So Nyarigi, the baby was left under your care so you can look after her.
And I did exactly that.
But now the child has really missed. Look at all the place. Look at all what she has done.
Yes, but I was not told to restrict her from doing anything.
What were you supposed to do?
I was told to look after her.
And so?
So I was just looking at her as she messes.
She has damaged the TV, she has damaged the radio. She almost got herself burned.
Yes, and as she did all that, I was looking at her just the way I was told to do.
Don't you know what it means, looking after a child?
Yes, I know it's looking at the child in whatever she is doing.
She poured cooking oil and flour on all her body.
Yes, I did like it, but I had nothing to do because I was never told to restrict her from doing all that. As I'm telling you, I was only told to look after her.
So what do you think could have happened if she really harmed herself?
That's a different story because she did not. Next time when a child is being left under my care, make sure that you give me all the instructions so that I can restrict her from doing all kind of mess.
What does that mean?
You know that because now this is her home, this is exactly what she does every day.
This is not fair.
It is really fair because I really got tired. In fact, I did not get my eyes off her. I kept looking at her just as I was instructed to do.